Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Honda Rebel 500 with ABS brakes. This bike is in perfect shape, only 2,755 miles. Great lightweight twin cylinder cruiser bike. Make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $62.99. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, beautiful condition. Come on by and check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Awesome Rebel 500 ABS. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Great platform for customizing. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.